Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce the eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, inductive device charging, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.